How to get Snapchat AI. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Snapchat has released this new AI chatbot, and as you also might know, some people have it while others don't. Now, if you are one of the people that don't have this AI, then the first thing that you need to do is you need to update your Snapchat app to the latest version. And after that, you should get it. However, if you don't, then keep in mind that this is a new feature and it's slowly rolling out to more and more accounts. For example, on this account I do have it, and on other account I do not have it, and I didn't do anything to get it except updating my app. So this shows you that you are not in control whether you want to have it or not. It's up to Snapchat to give this AI bot to people slowly, and eventually everyone will be able to use it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get Snapchat My AI. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.